Are you ready to transform the way you see bathroom design forever? Step into the captivating world of black bathroom interiors, where bold meets beautiful and minimalism merges with luxury. In this video, we're unveiling 20 jaw-dropping black bathroom designs that redefine modern living, each space carefully curated to spark inspiration, stir emotion, and elevate your vision for the perfect retreat. From serene spa-like sanctuaries bathed in warm ambient lighting, to architectural showpieces that push the boundaries of texture, material, and mood, these black-toned bathrooms are not just rooms. They're experiences. Whether you're dreaming of a sophisticated master ensuite, planning a bold home makeover, or simply seeking creative ideas for your next remodel, you'll find real design magic right here. Let's dive into 20 of the most breathtaking black bathroom designs of the year. This design embodies high-end minimalism with a dramatic twist. The focal point is a matte black freestanding tub with sculptural curves that demand attention. Surrounding it are large format black marble tiles with soft white veining that add depth and visual rhythm. A circular mirror with warm LED backlighting sits above a sleek black vanity, creating a halo effect that softens the entire space. Vertical pendant lighting and brushed metal fixtures introduce a subtle industrial edge, balancing boldness with serenity. Here, the interplay between flat black surfaces and delicate textures defines the aesthetic. The walls and floors are clad in dark stone with muted veining, setting a contemplative mood. A floating vanity with handle-less drawers enhances the sleek profile, while a vessel sink made from hand-carved stone offers natural contrast. Recessed LED strips under the vanity and in the ceiling softly illuminate the space, emphasizing its depth without overpowering it. This bathroom plays with light and shadow like an art installation. The round, backlit mirror glows like a full moon, becoming the room's ethereal centerpiece. A floating vanity features open shelving with concealed lighting, while a hammered copper basin brings texture and warmth. The pebblestone flooring beneath the vanity adds a grounded, organic feel, evoking a sense of tranquility and timelessness. A celebration of subtle contrast and quiet luxury, this space uses a matte black freestanding tub surrounded by large tiles that extend across the floor and walls. Built-in shelves are softly backlit, offering a cozy ambience. Gold-toned fixtures and a wooden stool bring visual warmth, while trailing greenery introduces life and movement. This bathroom feels like a retreat, a quiet sanctuary hidden away from the world. A bold yet welcoming environment. This bathroom pairs matte black finishes with stark white subway tiles for high contrast. The vanity is framed by a round mirror and industrial style lighting, enhancing visual interest. A freestanding tub echoes the vanity's black tone, while warm lighting under the cabinets and tactile elements like woven baskets add texture and coziness. A striking interplay of dark and light defines this space. The walls are painted in deep matte black, setting a dramatic tone. A white sculptural bathtub provides a bold counterpoint, and brushed brass fixtures add an upscale touch. The floating black vanity features warm lighting that glows beneath, highlighting the textures and ensuring the palette doesn't feel too cold or flat. Inspired by Japanese minimalism, this bathroom features a restrained color palette and organic materials. Matte black tiles with subtle marble patterns envelop the space. A circular mirror and pendant lights soften the rigid lines, while a freestanding black tub is perfectly aligned with a tall window, allowing soft daylight to stream in. Natural wood accessories further enhance the calming atmosphere. Designed for smaller footprints, this bathroom emphasizes vertical space and light reflection. Black marble walls with faint veining create unity, while an elongated backlit mirror and under vanity lights add dimension. A floating vanity with slim drawers and a wall-mounted toilet enhance functionality while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Here, deep tones and reflective finish blend to form a moody yet welcoming space. The black marble wall serves as a dramatic canvas for a round backlit mirror and vintage-style sconces. A suspended black vanity with golden underlighting creates a warm focal point. The gold-toned ceiling adds an unexpected layer of luxury, tying the palette together with finesse. Darkness meets warmth in this modern, minimalist space. The blackstone vanity features strong veining and sharp lines. Behind it, wood-paneled walls add a natural, textural contrast. Linear LED lighting subtly emphasizes architectural lines while creating a soft, ambient glow. Matte black fittings ensure a cohesive look. This bathroom explores shade and shadow through symmetry and structure. The freestanding tub, wall-mounted vanity, and geometric pendant lights create a dialogue of forms. Large black tiles cover the walls, while the floor transitions into a more textured material for grip and variation. The overall atmosphere is orderly, elegant, and highly functional. Using graphic elements to establish rhythm, this space incorporates black grid tiles against white fixtures. The floating vanity and compact toilet offer a clean break in the dark surfaces, while brass fittings add points of warmth. Layered lighting from the vanity, walls, and mirror introduces subtle complexity to an otherwise bold and straightforward design. An ultra-modern space with hidden lighting and advanced materials, this design emphasizes simplicity with high-tech flair. The double-sink vanity is suspended beneath a massive mirror wall, while LED strips embedded in the ceiling and wall niches create a futuristic ambience. Black acrylic, brushed metal, and soft matte finish harmonize to deliver an avant-garde look. This dark-toned bathroom softens its palette with golden undertones. The white basin pops against the black marble wall, while amber pendant lights hang beside a softly glowing mirror. Glass accessories and minimalist shelves lend an upscale, boutique hotel ambience perfect for those who love understated luxury. Stone and shadow define this dramatic space. A feature wall of rough-cut rock contrasts beautifully with smooth black tile elsewhere. The tub, nestled into a recessed corner, mimics the form of a natural hot spring. Built-in alcoves with ambient lighting provide storage and serenity, giving the entire room a warm, cocoon-like feel. Texture and light intertwine in this sanctuary-like design. Vertical rib panels stretch from floor to ceiling behind a floating vanity with twin vessel sinks. A matte black tub anchors the space, surrounded by delicate ambient lighting. Elements like dried florals, wooden trays, and candlelight evoke a sensory spa experience. Here, elegance is achieved through restraint. The vanity and basin form a unified block of matte black, offset by bronze hardware. A floor-to-ceiling mirror reflects pendant lighting and minimal decor, giving the illusion of expanded space. A potted plant and sleek accessories provide just enough contrast to keep the design lively yet grounded. Dark tones are warmed by natural textures in this calming space. Bamboo blinds filter soft light, while a woven rug and basket add tactility. The black fixtures are kept simple to let the organic elements shine. Soft recessed lighting above the tub shelves highlights candles and plants, enhancing the feeling of a spa escape. This bathroom design embodies sleek modernity with a sensual, spa-like atmosphere. The matte black vanity floats effortlessly above a softly lit base, creating a feeling of lightness and sophistication. Subtle under-cabinet and ceiling lighting work together to highlight the clean geometry of the space. A striking contrast is achieved between the smooth surfaces and the black textured wall tiles, which add depth and intrigue. Minimal accessories like the black reed diffuser and beige tone dispensers enhance the calm ambience without disrupting the minimalist aesthetic. This space is the epitome of understated luxury in a contemporary dark bathroom. The final design showcases bold structure and sophisticated textures. Vertical black slats and marble slabs alternate rhythmically on the walls. A thick black stone vanity with integrated lighting serves as both sculpture and function. The matte toilet blends seamlessly with the stone cladding, while hidden LEDs bring the space to life at night. Each of these 20 black bathroom designs proves that dark interiors can be dramatic, cozy, minimalist, and luxurious all at once. Whether you prefer rich textures, minimalist silhouettes, or a spa-inspired vibe, there's a perfect look here for your next bathroom makeover. If this video gave you inspiration, give it a like, share your favorite in the comments, and subscribe for more interior design ideas and trends. Until next time, thanks for watching.